himself said some MPs were colluding with some technical people to adulterate the budget. So if we are to be serious country, I think we should have put the whole budget aside and do it again. They may even maybe amend some laws and we do it again. Because I think this budget is too dirty to even be cleaned. Someone who can increase the budget from 58 million, it's 58, to 72 in just hours. It shows you the work which was done prior to making this budget. It was a bit shabby. I'm not saying it, it's the president himself who said it. Even they are arresting some people for trying to put in some expenditures which are not supposed to be there. So as if this we think Uganda does not have a budget. And you cannot clean it well enough to become a national budget. It will be madness of the highest order to think you can clean something which is extraordinary dirty, according to the president himself, not us. Some people are in prison for doing that adulteration. As the government which is arresting them, the opposition warned them that there's something seriously wrong with this budget, but they went with it. Now the president found himself not happy with some parts. He's not happy with some parts because they concern him. What about Ugandans? President Museveni is just lucky that most of us Ugandans are a bit sleepy. If you are to be a country which is very alert, people would have been on the street now because of that budget. We are suffering as Ugandans to pay a lot of money in taxes, but those who are using our money they are not using it to our benefit. And this has been manifested by the president himself returning the appropriation bill to Parliament. I think it's the first time in the history of Uganda that's being done. And done on the last day. What does this suggest? That they are going to do it hurriedly. And because now the members of Parliament even fear to be arrested, most of them, they may want to do it the way the president wants. So I don't know whether you're going to get the best out of this sitting on Tuesday, but I doubt.